Hi, it's Grandma Lori. I'm here to read you a special book. It's called Don't Push the Button. It's written and illustrated by Bill Cotter. It's a story about a little guy named Larry who has just one rule. Hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. Seriously, don't even think about it. It does look pretty nice though. I wonder what would happen if we pushed it. No, we can't. We mustn't. I wonder what will happen if they do. Psst. No one is looking. You should give the button one little push. Good job. Push it again. Eek! Now I'm yellow and polka dot. Push it twice. Now there's two of me. Push it a bunch of times. Push it, 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 push it. Uh-oh. There's a whole bunch of Larrys. Shake the book to get rid of all the extra Larrys. Almost. A little more. Okay, there we go. It says here to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal. Give him a little scratch on the tummy. That tickles. Okay, much better. Let's not push the button again. But that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more pushes. The end. I hope you like this story. Don't push the button. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Grandma loves you.